So, you just became a coach and you're wanting to go out there and find out how you can sign up new clients quickly? Don't worry, this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers go out there and create and generate their first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 or more in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about how you can go out there right now as a coach and sign up multiple clients in under a week. And we're going to talk about a specific campaign and a specific way that you can do that using profitable presentations. Without any further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why do most clients in the first place struggle to sign up new paying clients consistently? Why does that happen? And if you want to take a look, you can just look at the history of the life coach, kind of marketplace or the life coaching business out there as it is today. The average life coach makes less than $27,000 a year as of the filming of this video. And the truth of the matter is a lot of life coaches have a lot of trouble signing up clients, and not just signing up clients, but doing it consistently, which is a completely different thing, right? Having clients and leads who consistently are raising their hand and saying they need their help. And there's one major reason this happens, and that's because life coaches fall into what we classify as the Freelancer Trap. The Freelancer Trap is where a life coach is going to go out there and they're going to hustle right after they become a life coach to sign up, right, clients at as fast as they can so they can go out there and make money. But then they'll sign up 4, 5, maybe 8, 9, 10 clients, whatever their capacity is, and then they're going to be full. And then after they're full, they're not going to be prospecting over here, they're not going to be getting leads over here, they're not going to be going out there and doing anything on the front side, they're just going to be handling the back side of their business, which is fulfilling their clients. And then in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, however long it is that they fulfill their clients, those clients are going to end. They're going to get at the end of working with this coach, and what's going to happen is this coach is not going to have any leads on the other side. And usually for coaches who are one-person, bands, coaches who are out there running their business by themselves, they fall into this freelancer trap because they're not able to be out there doing everything. They're one person. So what we need to make sure that we do is we get out of this freelancer trap by making sure that we are demonstrating how it is that we can help people, to as many people as that we can. And we do that consistently, right, through profitable presentations. And we're going to be showing you how you can do that with profitable presentations here in the next segments. Before I go over exactly how you can use profitable presentations and you can follow this specific, right, profitable presentation campaign that we're going to be talking about in this video, where you can go out there and sign up multiple paying clients for your coaching business here in the next 7 days, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or their next, right, 10K paydays, right, by generating $10,000 or more for their life coach and healing businesses using profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so we want to run a profitable presentation and we want to go out there and run one in the next week. So the first couple of things we need to identify, right, is we first need to pick out what type of profitable presentation are we going to run. Well, there's 5 types of profitable presentations that we like to run over here at Life Coach Launch, and those five types of profitable presentations are going to be a workshop, right, an online workshop, an online challenge, an online summit, possibly an online masterclass, or you can even run a live event. We do that every few months here over at Life Coach Launch, and when we run our 10K payday mastermind events. Now, ultimately, right, what you want to make sure that you are doing is you pick one of these 5 events, and then the next thing that you do is you want to make sure that you pick a date, right? It's really important that you pick a date because you want to hold yourself accountable, but we also want to make sure that we have a date that people can start planning to come to. They can start making plans to come to, making their schedules, planning to come to, right? So they can come and spend however long you're going to be at that profitable presentation for. So we want to make sure that we, pick a date, and then we want to make sure that we start promoting to everybody that we know through every distribution channel that we have, and we literally just let people know down and dirty, hey, I'm running this profitable presentation. Hey, I'm running this event, and I'm going to be helping people at this event with this new thing. I would love for you to come so I can show you what I'm working on. The truth of the matter is by letting everybody know, you have no idea who on your list or who you might know who might be needing help with that thing. And since it's a new thing, you want to make sure that you are reaching out to everybody that you know at a very quick way, and you're doing it by blasting out all the distribution channels, text message, right, DMs, getting into social media messaging, getting into email, posting and publishing every single day about the thing so that you can start inviting people to this profitable presentation and getting a lot of people to show up to this profitable presentation very quickly. All right, so the next thing is actually running the profitable presentation, and it's very important that I make something very, very clear about the day of the presentation. You simply just got to show up. A lot of people, more than half, will pick a date, right? They'll have their niche. They'll have people registered and they'll get either too scared, too frightened, or they'll be like, not enough people do this, not enough people do that, and they simply won't show up. And by not showing up, they're not only showing up for themselves in the presentation, they're not showing up for the prospects who said, hey, I need your help. And how does that make them look in the marketplace as a coach who is wanting to go out there and help people? So simply by showing up, you're going to be getting a leg up and a massive advantage, because the truth of the matter is, if you simply just show up and you help people, yes, the slides are going to help. Yes, the things we're going to teach you about what to do during your presentation, yes, are going to help. Yes, us helping you create an irresistible offer that is probably going to be better than the offer that you have right now is probably going to help. But the truth of the matter is when you go to this presentation and you actually just go to the presentation and help people, the people that you help at that presentation are going to be the people that are looking to sign up with you and get your help the quickest, because they are going to be people that are showing behaviors and showing reasons that they not only want to get your help, but they want to get your help now into solving the problem and getting to the goal that they have. So we want to make sure that when we're at that presentation, right, we are focusing and we are making sure that we identify the people at that presentation who are wanting help. And then we are simply asking if they would like to get more of our help at the end of that presentation by presenting our offer. Because when we present our offer at the end of that presentation, a lot of times, multiple people at the end of that presentation who got that help are going to say yes to wanting to get more of that help with you. All right, so we just ran our presentation. We got a couple of people that signed up. That's awesome. But say you still got like 6, 7, maybe 8 people, or a couple of people, right, that didn't sign up. We still want to make sure that we reach out to them after that presentation for 2 main reasons. One, we want to make sure that we can offer them to hop on a call with us, a quick call, so that we can customize, right, what we talked about at that presentation. So we can look about seeing if we can customize and then offering them in a one-on-one call if they would like to continue getting our help. Or we want to invite them to the next profitable presentation, right, either on that one-on-one call or through Messenger or however we're reaching out to them. We want to make sure that we can consistently keeping people that are coming to these profitable presentations, and then we want to make sure that we're running these profitable presentations every week. By running them every week, we're going to be building momentum, getting more eyeballs and more people who need our help looking at us, and we're also going to be able, right, to consistently sign up new clients every week, single week at these profitable presentations and after these profitable presentations, simply because we're going to be getting more and more people who are looking at us, they're looking to get our help. Are you a life coach looking to make more money, or possibly looking to go out there and start your life coaching business successfully? Well, I just got done with a free report that I call, right, my 10 winningest life coaching niches free report, which is going to go over with you the top 10 niches in life coaching today and how you can use them in your business to go out there and make more money quickly. You can click on that link down there in the description to grab your copy of this free report absolutely free. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link down there in the description and grabbing your free copy of this free report, the 10 winningest life coaching niches in the marketplace right now, so you can go out there and start making more money. We'll see you in the next video.